Hi, welcome to Whimsy Crafter. I'm Sangeeta from Kolkata, India, and on this channel I vlog on my hobbies, which are gardening, cooking and crafts. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I made multiple fishbone cactus plants from the single fishbone cactus plant that I have. I've had this plant for almost a year and it had overgrown its pot, so I thought of taking a few cuttings and trying to root them in two different types of media, and the results were astounding. So to know what media I used and how I went about the process, you need to watch this video till the end. And of course, as always, if you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to Whimsy Crafter. It is free and it will always be free. And before I move ahead with the video, I would like to draw your attention towards the bottom of the screen. You must have noticed that this month onwards I have launched merchandise on my channel. Right now it's very basic stuff. Right now there's a coffee mug, there's a basic t-shirt, a unisex t-shirt and a tote bag. But I can assure you that more quirky and preppy designs are coming up. So stay tuned for that. I will link my store where you can buy the merchandise for yourself in the description box below. And also I would like to share that I also happen to have an Amazon store where I have curated the products that I use for gardening that are easily available on Amazon. So many of my viewers keep asking me what product I use for my plants. I buy them off Amazon most of the time because I usually don't get time to get it from the local nurseries. The things that I get from the local nurseries, I'll tell you. But for the rest of it, for the bulk of it, Amazon is the place, and not everything is good on Amazon, obviously. So I will link the store on Amazon from where you can buy those products which I generally use for my plants. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. The video is basically very self-explanatory, so I haven't added any extra voiceovers. If there are any queries or suggestions, please feel free to comment down below and let me know what you think.